Hey alls, Melvin here, and I spent 7 months building the LEGO Ultimate Collector Series Imperial Star Destroyer, and then I thought, this is heavy. I wonder if I could skate with it. So, I'm gonna skate with it. Let's go! Alright, so we're outside, I basically brought out the Star Destroyer and some other random stuff and came up with some random rules, and we're just gonna make a game out of this. Yeah, so how this is going to work is I brought out 8 random fragile items and I came up with 10 skateboarding tricks, and I basically, got the old D8 and D10, and I'm just going to roll them, and based off of whatever I roll, I'm going to do a random skateboarding trick while holding a random breakable item, and I figure I'll just kind of keep trying it until I either land the trick or break the item. I'll just keep going until I do every item once. I'm just gonna see how much of my stuff is destroyed by the end of this. Yeah, and the 8 fragile items that I picked, basically going from least to most regrettable, are water balloons, rotten eggs donated to me from the rotten egg store, coffee in honor of the great Garrett Hill, ice cream cone, which I will re-scoop at some point, cake, guitar donated to me by Milton, giant stack of organized Pokemon cards, and the LEGO Ultimate Collector Series Imperial Star Destroyer. Longest LEGO ever made, 4,784 pieces. Countless hours of my work are about to be destroyed of my own volition. Yeah, and here's flow chart with the tricks that I'm going to be trying. Yeah, and with the items, I tried to pick stuff that wouldn't be too wasteful if I destroyed it. I figure the food that falls, I can just eat around the part that was on the floor. So let's just do it, I want to roll some dice and just destroy my life. Let's do it. The first trick I'm going to have to do is kickflip. Okay, that's a good one to start. Okay, the first item I'm holding while doing a kickflip is stack of Pokemon cards. Okay, so I'm going to try to hold a stack of giant organized Pokemon cards while doing a kickflip. Okay, I got the stack of Pokemon cards, and I know you're probably saying, oh Melvin, why are you destroying Pokemon cards? Stop that. And it's okay, I had the same thought as you. These are all just common and uncommon cards with a few reverse holos in here. If I drop them, it's not about the damage to the cards, it's about the damage to my time when I had to spend another 10 hours organizing them. Okay, first one, Pokemon card kickflip. Why am I doing this? Oh, Oh, I got it. Whoa. Wow, I landed the first trick. So let's do another roll. Oh, there's a woodpecker over there. Okay, the second breakable skateboarding combo is going to be, oh shoot, the ollie off the ramp. That's the big fella. Well, let's find out what I'm probably going to be destroying. Cake. Ollie off ramp while holding cake. Okay, sometimes you just have to light candles on a cake and jump off stuff on your skateboard. Oh shoot. Okay, that's not going to light. Well, let's just do it, As Weird Al says, happy birthday to you. Oh, that was really close and I didn't drop it. Wait, which hand was I holding it with before? Okay, let's just do it. Whoa. Shoot. That was something that I didn't expect to happen. I'm gonna need some grip tape cleaner, please, and a spoon. I did not think this through. Sorry. Well, I got the chocolate cake hosed away and I got my board looking a little cleaner, so let's do another dice roll. Oh, and I meant to say, this whole challenge that I'm doing, I'm going to be turning into a Twitch series on my Twitch, a reoccurring series. So if you like seeing me destroying stuff and doing skateboarding tricks, head on down to my Twitch and, I'll be doing it like all the time. And the neat thing about doing it on Twitch is you
chat will be able to tell me what tricks you want to see me do and what stuff you want to see me break live, you know? So yeah, I hope you can come on down there. The first one is going to be Sunday, June 13th. So hopefully you can make it. We're doing okay so far. Let's see what we get this time. Trick is board slide. Okay, and that's going to be while holding Lego Imperial Star Destroyer, right? 6, 8. Board slide, Lego Imperial Star Destroyer. Welp, nice having you built for a little bit, sorry. Okay, since I'm going to be doing a board slide, I actually wanted to practice a few because I just put these rails on my board. Yeah, I'm just gonna try a few board slides, you know? Okay, I really like how these rails feel, you know, they're Powell Peralta. I might start using rails more often. Okay, I'm feeling pretty good about the board slides, but I kind of want to take the Star Destroyer and just try a couple random warm-up tricks. Okay, I'm just gonna start slow. Okay, this doesn't feel too terrifying. I think this might work. I might just get a board slide yet. Oh, see, yeah, that was something. I'm gonna try to ollie it. Okay, this is pretty terrifying, but you know what? I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna go for it. Ollie the Star Destroyer. Oh shoot! I clipped it, but it didn't break. Okay, redo. That's a well-built Star Destroyer, but I don't know if it's gonna take another clip, so let's just do it. Oh! 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 Okay, that was really scary and sketchy, but I want to get a cleaner one. Shoot. 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 Well, I messed up on the ollie. That wasn't where I was expecting to destroy it, but wow. Okay, the damage isn't terrible. You know, it's just a little breakage to the interior hull. You know, that can be fixed. Okay, I really wasn't expecting to break it on an ollie, but you know what? I think that's a good thing because now I'm kind of more up for just trying some stuff with it, you know? Like dropping in. This was the one that as soon as I finished building it, I thought, I wonder if I can drop in with it. I really don't know why I'm doing this or what's going... Sorry, Lego. This is what Legos are all about, you know? Falling and destroying them and rebuilding, just like life. Well, I'm locked in at this point. I can't really grip it, so I'm kind of just hoping it balances on my hands. Okay, I just need to do it. I just need to do it fast, like putting on a Band-Aid. I did it! I did it! I dropped in while holding the Imperial Star Destroyer, and I didn't destroy it this time. Egads, bro. Wow, that actually felt pretty smooth sailing, all things considered. You know, I just kind of pressed down as hard as I could and just tried to keep balance and not drop the rest of the destroyer. Okay, all things considered, you know, I'm actually feeling pretty good about this board slide while holding the Lego Imperial Star Destroyer. It's definitely feeling lighter, and you know, I think it might just happen, so let's just do it. I thought I felt it go flying there. Ouch, it's starting to hurt my back from holding it. Okay, I think I just need to do what I did with the drop-in, you know, just kind of push the weight on and just go for it. Oh. Oh shoot. I think the weight of the Star Destroyer is actually pushing me down when I try to ollie, so I think I need to put a little more effort into the ollie. Let's do it. Oh, that was close. Oh. Oh. Oh, that was close. Shoot. That was it. That was it. I board slided while holding the LEGO Ultimate Collector Series Imperial Star Destroyer. Wow. Wow, well, it actually feels really good to land that board slide. And I guess technically if I hadn't messed up that ollie, it would have still been intact. Okay, I think this is actually going pretty well so far. So let's see what the next one is. Kickflip off ledge. The item that I'm going to be holding while kickflipping off the ledge is coffee. I don't know how strong Mick coffee lids are, so hopefully they don't spill all over me. Got the coffee, it's time to bleep in. Whoa, the coffee, oh, it spilled out a little bit, but that's not terrible, you know? Ew. Got the coffee, time to bleep in. Oh, time to bleep in. Oh, to bleep in. Bleep in. Bleep in. Bleep in. Got the coffee, it's time to bleep in. I count that, that was good enough. Got the coffee, it's time to bleep in. I count that, that was good enough. I know that one did not technically count, but I honestly probably gave that trick 87 tries, and that coffee was not going to spill, so I just had to count it. Okay, I'm actually getting pretty tired and exhausted, but you know, we just have to keep doing it. Let's give it another dice roll. Trick this time is going to be, please, something easier. Pop shove it. Okay, I like that. The item we're going to be holding for the pop shove it is water balloons. Oh wow, water balloon pop shove it, you know? Water balloon pop shove it. Okay, another roll time. Let's see what trick we're doing now. Manual, nice. Okay, I'm finally getting the easier tricks. And the item I'm going to be holding while doing a manual, oops, is water balloons again. All right, let's water balloon it up. Water balloon manual. Water balloon manual. This time's trick is going to be drop-in, okay. And while doing a drop-in, I will be holding rotten eggs, nice. Okay, rotten egg drop-in time. This shouldn't be too bad, hopefully, if I did it with the Star Destroyer. Actually, I kind of hope I missed cleaning up a piece of the Star Destroyer down there and I just clip it and go face first into rotten eggs. Okay, drop-in time. Wow. Wow. Okay, so we actually only have 2 fragile items left that I haven't done yet, so hopefully I'll be able to get them. The trick for this one is pop shove it, okay. And the item this time is going to be coffee. Wow. Got the coffee, here's the pop shove it. Shove it. Nice. Roll them up again, you know, let's just keep doing it. Trick this time is kickflip, okay. Kickflip while holding water balloons. There we go. Okay, the tricks have been getting a little easier, so I'm a little nervous they're gonna swing back around, but this trick is board slide. Okay, board slide while holding a stack of Pokemon cards. Nice. Trick this time is going to be This time's trick is going to be ollie off ledge. Okay, that's a new one. It will all depend what I'm holding, which is going to be cake. I'm just gonna re-roll. Ice cream cone. Okay, ollie off ledge with an ice cream cone. This was supposed to be a giant triple scoop ice cream, but I can't really scoop de whoop like Kanye. Okay, ice cream cone ollie. This is me at my most lackadaisical. So it looks like we only have 1 fragile item left, and it's Milton's guitar. Okay, let's roll for a trick. Throw the old D10 again. Rock to fakie, nice, new trick, okay. Ooh, that would be really nice if I could get the guitar now. Rotten eggs, you know what, that works too. Hi. Hi. You know what, I'm gonna start with the fragile item and then do the trick. So hopefully we'll get the guitar. Whoa, we got the guitar on that roll. Okay, so this is going to be the last trick. Ooh, it all comes down to this. What trick are we going to be doing while holding Milton's guitar? Ollie. Ollie while holding Milton's guitar. What a way to end the show. Here we go, guitar time. I got it. I thought I was gonna drop it and I clipped, but that is the video. Oh shoot, I hope Milton didn't see that.
Oh, well, it's been a few days since the Skateboarding with Fragile Items challenge, and I think it went well, you know? I think it was a nice mix of skateboarding and fun dice roll challenges and a little bit of, you know, risky edginess and just a touch of destruction. That's how I like to do it, you know? Yeah, and my Twitch is going to be the place where this is going to, you know, keep happening as a recurring series. First episode is going to happen
Sunday, June 13th.
and we'll just keep doing them from there. Oh yeah, you know, here's the rest of my socials. I started a TikTok, and we can be friends on any of those if you want. Masks are still available on FOBTAC.com/merch, along with hats and stickers and cool background colors. Oh, and that right there will about do it for this video. So yeah, if you liked it, make sure to smooch that like button. And you know, thanks for being here. Thanks for coming and hanging out and being my friend, and see you all hopefully soon. Take care now, and bye now.
Thank you for choosing McDonald's. How can I get started for you?
Hi, could I get 4 McCoffees, please?
You said for medium coffee?
Small,